Wilderness Ranger and Crewman Frazier here. Was out on a patrol this afternoon and got caught in a slight little shower. I can hear thunder in the distance. I'm headed back to my truck and really enjoyed this little shower coming down in the forest. If you have never been outside in the forest during a very light shower, I would highly recommend it. It brings out another side of beauty to the forest that you may have never seen. But for now, I'm headed back to this really cool section of the forest that I have I call the land of the big leaf magnolias. It has one of the highest concentrations of big leaf magnolias that I've ever seen, and some of these trees are humongous. The largest one I've ever seen is here. Hopefully, I can share it with you. This is one of the big leaf magnolias right here. There's another one over there. One of my favorite trees in the forest. Here's another shot of both trees. Can't really see that one. And here we are. One of my favorite places so far in the DeSoto National Forest. Right here along the Black Creek Hiking Trail. Land of the big leaf magnolias. There's literally dozens of these trees right along the trail right here. And just a few feet up the trail, you're around the bend. And dozens more. There's one right now to my immediate right. Another to my left. Looks like I'll be running out of space on this video, and I'll have to start another one.